today it's pretty obvious where I am, Shinjuku Station. This is the South Concourse. I wanted to start here today because of this little fella over here. He's been around for, I don't know, 25 years or something as the mascot for the Suica card. Card you use to catch trains. You can use it at convenience shops. Use it in a lot of places actually, vending machines. But they're not saying retire, they're going to graduate this fella, the Penguin, and nominate a new mascot. So things change. That's what this is all about today, things changing in Tokyo. And we're going to go from this spot here, above the world's busiest train station, over 3 million customers a day. I almost expect the train line to be non-stop trains, but there is more platforms underground. But yeah, we're going to graduate from this area of glass, concrete, skyscrapers to a much quieter spot, a walk-away called Hatsudai. So let's head off. It's warm, 25. Umbrellas are up. So this is it. We head from the busiest train station in the world off to Hatsudai. Let's see how quickly it changes. Tokyo's of course a crazy busy city, but it never takes long to leave one busy area and find backstreets of wooden housing that's only 2 stories max. And let's see. Let's leave the trains, the crowds, and the icons behind and head to the backstreets. One of my favourite pastimes. Well on the way to Hatsudai now. We're still in amongst the glass and concrete skyscrapers though. It's a nice shaded path. Just over there we've got the Washington Hotel. Don't know if you can see, but very small windows, very small looking rooms, but it's supposed to be quite good. Not my price range though. So we come around this corner and we've got Tokyo Metropolitan Government offices buildings. These huge structures here, there's 3 of them, but you can see 2 there easily. I'm not sure which tower it is, but one of the towers have a free viewing platform. So you go to the top in the lift and it's free, and you get a really nice skyline view of Tokyo when the weather's agreeable. I don't know if I should or not, but I actually like these buildings. Something about them. They remind me a little of back in Eastern Europe in the day, the likes of Poland. Yeah, Poland springs most easily to mind, where they had the big communist boxy concrete structures that didn't have seemingly any redeeming factors. Maybe it's the glass and the shapes on these ones. I like them. What I'm walking towards now is the Park Hyatt, or the Shinjuku Park Hotel. Maybe it's familiar to you. There's a fire station down there, I guess. The boys in training for fire. Bloody hot to have that stuff on. The Park Hyatt Tokyo. Made famous by the movie starring Bill Murray and Scarlett Johansson, Lost in Translation. Most of you would have seen it. Awesome view, just like on the movie. If you go up the top there, beautiful bar. Recommended. Arigatou. It's hot. I definitely need this one. Not much further actually. End of this street, we cross over a busy road and we're there. So this is where it gets serious. The border between Shinjuku and Hatsudai. See the big motorways up there. Surprisingly not that loud. But once we cross this bridge, we're in Hatsudai, and yes, there's a big building right there. That's above the opera house. A very important part of Hatsudai is this opera house. But once we get away from that, you'll notice how quickly it quietens. So motorway above, Shinjuku down the end, or just next street there, turn right, you go to Shinjuku, left, Hatsudai. Let's get into the quiet of Hatsudai. So you can kind of see the Park Hyatt and the Metropolitan building down there. That's how close we are to Shinjuku. Just watch what happens as we turn and head this way. Quite noisy there, of course, with the motorway above and busy road down the bottom. I don't know how I missed it on the way through, but a little archway there designating Hatsudai and the shopping street, Shotengai, and the Metropolitan Government building behind. Let's keep going. As the sound dissipates behind us, here we are in what is actually a really lovely shopping street. Very local. Hear the crows now, flags blowing in the wind, little scooters, my footsteps.
In a city of so many commuters, finding a street where you can actually hear your own footsteps is often closer by than you think. I stopped to film a few of these signs because they feel like survivors. In Tokyo, things are usually torn down the moment they look outdated. But here, the age is the whole point. These shops have been the backdrop of people's routines for 30, maybe even 40 years. There's a comfort in that kind of permanence. I call this the Hatsudai Ballet. No one is in a rush here. You see the bikes gliding past, and no one is ringing bells or pushing through. It's the polite kind of chaos.
So that's it for today. Finishing up with a couple of snacks in Shinjuku Juo Central Park. Tokyo Metropolitan Building there. So, just a probably 20-minute walk from Shinjuku South to Hatsudai. Completely different. Love that about Tokyo.
It's not about where you're going, it's about the rhythm of the walk itself.